I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. If you're looking to lock your card on Bitget, follow these simple steps. Step 1. Log into your account. Open the Bitget app or website and enter your login credentials to access your account. Step 2. Navigate to card settings. Once logged in, find the wallet section in the main menu, then select card management or card settings. Step 3. Select the card to lock. In the card management section, locate the card you wish to lock. Click on it to view more options. Step 4. Lock the card. Look for the lock card option and click on it. Confirm your choice when prompted to ensure the card is locked. Note, make sure you're not in a transaction when locking the card, as it may prevent the action from completing. Step 5. Verify the lock status. After locking, check the card status to ensure yours is locked. This confirms that your card is secure. I hope this guide helps you keep your card secure. If you have any questions, feel free to ask.